Good morning or afternoon, Ralston Primary School. Apologies that this achievement assembly is a little bit late. It's been a bit of a crazy morning. I hope you all had a lovely half term and you all rested really well. Now, I want to say thank you to all of you because over the half term I had the pleasure of looking at all of your seesaws and looking at all of your books and the work that you've been doing. And I must say I'm very impressed at how much you've caught up over the past 8 weeks since returning. You've worked incredibly hard and so have your teachers, and I must say it is looking like everything is going in the right way. Your attitude to your learning is showing, and I just want to say well done to every single child in the entire school. Well done, amazing, thank you. Now, the other thing I want to say well done to is going to be at the very end because I have a special shining star to give today and I can't wait to give it. It's going to make you all laugh, but a really well done to an actual teacher. So you. Now, to everybody else, keep up the great work, all right? It's really fantastic seeing you all walking around the school so pleasantly, so politely. Your dinner time's brilliant. Just keep it all up, and thank you for being so incredible. Finally, to your parents in Year 3, I appreciate it's not always easy to make a change, but I must say I think everything outside on pick up and drop off for Year 3s looks a lot better, so thank you to the parents there for understanding and just following the new procedures so well. So it is appreciated, guys, and it keeps your children just that bit safer in case we do have to close any more bubbles. Finally, to the parents in Year 1 and Foundation Stage 1, again, I thank you for your understanding and understanding the reasons as to why we've had to close those bubbles. I hope the home learning is going really well, and we are trying to make sure that we don't lose any learning. So again, it's really appreciated, and your understanding as to why we're what we're doing to keep your children safe is much appreciated. So thank you again. Anyway, to everybody, enjoy the Achievement Assembly and have a fantastic weekend. You've all earned it. Do you love my new hair, by the way? How great does that look? I'll try and keep it tidier. Bye-bye all.
Hi Mr Durkin and hello everyone at Ralston. My Year 3 nominations go to Charlie this week for Resilience Star. I've seen him absolutely grow in confidence this half term and he is sharing his answers really positively and confidently to the whole class, so I'm really proud of you. And my Homework Learning Star goes to Anaya for completing homework every single week and completing it to a really high standard and responding to the things I say on Seesaw, so really well done to Anaya.
Miss Verdi chose me as this week as the Resilience Star because I've been trying extra hard in maths and working on my explanation and journaling. And on Tuesday I did more than Miss Verdi asked.
Miss Verdi chose me for this week's Homework Star because I chose to stay in at break time to do my homework because it was too glitchy at home on my phone.
This week's Homework Star of the Week goes to Phoebe. She has made fantastic efforts with her homework recently, even going so far as to asking for extra homework. I'm amazed by your commitment, Phoebe, and I would really love you to keep it up. So very well done. This week I'd like to nominate Stefan for Resilience Star of the Week. In our maths lessons he has showed tremendous commitment and he's worked so hard on all the challenges he's been given, and to top it off he's even achieved 25 top marks in his key skills tests this week. Well done, Stefan.
I'd like to say a special well done to Mr. Toole. Now, he is actually in this picture. If you look at the interactive whiteboard, you can see him as a blurry blob in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, what he's doing in this picture is actually teaching his class via Teams whilst he is having to self-isolate at home. Now, your class, Mr. Toole, were amazingly focused. I was very impressed with what I saw. It's so impressed I brought 2 of the teachers in to have a look at this. So a serious and a heartfelt well done to you and to all of your class, and a special thank you to Miss Conroy for really helping out with this as well. So just fantastic teamwork, guys, and keep up the great work. At Rolleston, we never stop learning, and that's even if the teachers aren't here to do it. We will make sure that you all get the best education you can get. Well done, Mr. Toole's class. I'm very proud of you.